Good morning, Rumaisa. Good morning, Rumaisa. What happened? Are, natak. You slept well, no? No? What did you do since I woke up, you said? You went for a walk? Come here, tell them.
Got me tired.
Got you tired? Are you just so tired? Look at how tired she is. So tired. Oh my god. Are you? Are you just so tired? Good morning. It is 11:11. Alhamdulillah. It is 11:11 a.m. right now, and Miss Rumaisa came over to stay with me last night. She called me at around 9 and she was like, Pupu, at 10 o'clock I'm coming. You will be awake, right? And I was like, I don't even know if she's being serious. I don't know if this is Khayali Pulao. I have no idea. So then I spoke to her mom and her mom said, yes, she's coming. Dadu dropped you, no, last night. Right now we're in a very loud mood, as you can see. And she woke up at 6 in the morning and refused to go back to sleep because she slept also early. So when you're at home, what time do you typically sleep? 2 or 3 o'clock? Zor ka bolo? Come here on camera ko bolo.
2 or 3 o'clock.
2 or 3 o'clock. And last night she was nicely asleep by 12:30, which is also late for us because we're typically in bed by 11. So madam woke up at 6 and as much as I tried to put her back to sleep, she just stayed awake. So her and Jerry went down for a walk. I promised her McDonald's breakfast. So while I'm asleep, I woke up around 9:30, 10. They've ordered in for McDonald's breakfast and finished breakfast. And what else did you do? You had a pillow fight with Jerry uncle? You had a bum biting fight with Jerry uncle? What else did you have? You played with Nibbles. You played a lot with Nibbles? Okay, she also played a lot with Nibbles. And now Madame has a blocked nose since she came here. So she came with her nasal spray. Come on. We're going to put some
Potty.
potty.
Yes.
Potty? You're going to put potty in your nose?
Yes.
I'm going to put potty in my baby's nose. Put your head here.
Makes me feel like I'm gonna take one more injection.
It's not an
In my
injection.
nose.
It's just your nasal spray. I'll put Vicks also for you. Vicks helped you na last night. Remember you said, Pupu, this is helping. Okay, chin up, baby.
I'm gonna do it.
Come on. You were such a good girl yesterday. Nahi gaya na?
Okay, so yeah.
I know, but it's still you open your nose up. There you go. I put Vicks for you also. Okay, go get the Vicks from next to my bed.
Tastes like potty.
How do you know what potty tastes like?
Are you vlogging still?
I'm always vlogging. You want to say something in my vlog?
No, but is it on?
Yes. Okay, you want to put Vicks or will you put it on your own? Come on, Danny.
With you.
Come on, put it on your own, nah?
No. N-O.
N-O. N-O. And how do you spell yes?
Why, yes.
How do you spell Rumaisa?
How do you memorize it?
How do you spell Chashma wala?
Oh no!
What is expression like me? Because everything in your nose. You said enough, you got that. What are you doing? Where are you going? Don't wash your nose. I won't wash it. Don't wash it. You go, your nose goes out. Cheers, I won't go. Show them your t-shirt.
1 cupcake, 2 cupcake, 3 cupcake, 4 cupcake, 5 cupcake, 6 cupcake, cupcake, 8 cupcake, 9 cupcake. Hello guys. My name is Rumaisa.
What am I having for nashta? Chocos.
With Malayan?
Yeah, I'll clean the malai from the doodh. That's why there's this extra spoon on the side. For me, aaj ka nashta is chocos. I thoroughly enjoy having chocos, and then of course there's that extra bowl and spoon so that I can remove the malai from the top of the milk. I ordered this new wireless charger, which is I'll bite your bum.
I'll be showing
Ew! Romaisa! She licked my lips. Ew. I was telling them something when you came and interrupted. What was I saying? I got this new wireless charger for my bedside, and it has like a normal charging thing in it as well as a wireless charging station for my... Can you not strip on my camera? Like, why are you becoming Nangu on camera? What has happened?
Something feels cold.
Yeah, it's the wicks. Now you touched it. Now go wash your hands because you're gonna have wicks on your hands. Anywhere you touch, you'll put wicks there. She's a brat. Third attempt at telling you this. I got a new charging station for my phone, watch and AirPods all together. I'll insert a picture over here. The phone can be charged with the little charging thingy as well as wirelessly, but usko wirelessly karne ke liye I had to take my cover off. The cover actually was not the problem. The pop socket that stuck to the cover was the problem. And then when I took it out, I realized, oh my god, I love the look of my phone without a cover. I don't think I'm mentally there yet where I can like use my phone and flex my phone just as is, because if these children drop it even once, there's bound to be scratches, and right now it's pretty much like in mint condition. But at least for the day, I think I'm gonna try and use it as is. And it's so big, right? Because I have the 12 Pro Max. I really like the way it feels without the cover, but I do need a pop socket for sure. Macy, can I watch some YouTube or Netflix while having my breakfast?
Yes.
Do you approve? Do you want to say anything to the vlog in the meanwhile? Do that again? पूरे हॉल को घान करके रख दिए सुबह से. Look around, सारे पिलोज इधर उधर. बच्चा घर में आता है, full setting बदल जाती है घर. And she wants to spend the night over here again, right? So we need to figure if that's happening. Tonight is like New Year's Eve. So initially we had plans to go to my parents and bring in the New Year's with them, but I think Jerry and I decided to stay home and do like a movie night at home or something like that. So let's see exactly what's happening. Everything's pretty much on the fly right now. Crocodile. Show them your crocodile. And how do you make a fish? Do it. My
How
nose
do you
is
make a
also
butterfly?
blocked this morning. Ah, that's nice. Shouldn't it be like this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like this. Whom do I love the most in the world?
You love potty.
Yeesh! I love potty. You're calling yourself potty?
You love potty.
I love potty. Wow. Tell me now. Whom do I love the most in the world?
Me.
And
Bio.
both of you.
Ask that again.
Whom do I love the most in the world?
R-U-M-A-I-S-A.
Ah, you spelled your name, my big girl. Okay, come on.
And also R-A-Y-Y-A.
Arey wah. Bachcha.
Ira, come here.
You want her to continue to look small, or what? But she was small, now she's bigger. Now she can walk around.
Catty.
She can run, she can pull, tug.
She wants to meet Ira.
Say again. You didn't hear.
She wants to meet Ira. So, last week I was placing an order from Miniso for myself, and Miss Romaisa, you selected your earphones as well, right? No. This is mine. Oh, yours has not come. This is Bhayu's.
Yes.
Yours is left. Bhayu had selected these plain black ones. Oopsie. Okay, yours will also come. We thought the razor, the pink thing was also earphones. Bhayu's has come. Yours will also come
Well,
soon. I'll check the app.
check right now.
Okay, take this. I'll check the app.
I'll put this in my bag.
Yes, it's Bhayu's, so please put it in your bag. Oh, they sent the wrong color. They sent the wrong color. You had selected green, right? Bhayu had selected blue. So now we need to exchange them because they've sent a black instead of the green. Ayyo.
They're so stupid.
It's okay, we'll get it exchanged.
How do we exchange it with you?
They'll do it. They'll come and they'll pick it up.
Today.
Done. Now you don't want to exchange it? You're sure?
Wait.
Because I'm talking to the Amazon help. If you want the green, I need to tell them now. Once you open it, you cannot exchange it.
I want the...
Black or green? Black or green? Black or green?
Green!
So I'll exchange it?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's that noise?
That's the azan ka sound coming. But
Again?
yes, it comes 5 times a day. But tell me something, what are you having for lunch?
My fingers burnt.
You're having burnt fingers for lunch? Wow! Who told you to go digging into the pizza like that? You're having a cheesy pizza for lunch that Ram made for you?
I don't like this.
So pull those out, ठीक है. What are we calling your mama for?
If I can stay for one more day.
Do you want to go home tomorrow? You want to stay here for how long?
Forever.
Forever! You stay here forever?
Yes.
You won't miss Mama and Abu? You'll stay with Popo and Jerry uncle? Pizzas every day. Burgers every day.
Not burgers, but fries and Maggies.
Ooh. How do we laugh? 1, 2, 3. She says, how is your bed so soft and bouncy?
Can I jump on it?
No, there's no jumping on the bed.
Thank you for letting me jump. I'm jumping.
This is fine. There's no other jumping on the bed. So we made our bed to feel like a hotel bed. It's like really cushiony, like you sink into it, and it's slightly higher than a normal bed. So yeah,
How did you make it so cushiony? But
by asking them to make it like that. Cartoon Network you are.
now I'm going to bed.
Good night.
Good night.
Seat belt, my John. Yes, keep this across from you. Hello, say hi to the camera. We are going to Maishu's house to get new fresh pairs of clothes because Maishu doesn't want to go home, right? But Popo has a problem that's come up. So basically, I ordered for REM Beauty, Ariana Grande's beauty products. I ordered them literally on 14th November. Today is the 31st of December. And they finally reached me today. And when the post office staff guy showed up at my door, he asked me to pay 3,500 rupees of customs, which is not correct. My customs should be around 2,200, 2,600, something of that sort. This is assuming customs of 40% of the actual total product value. So I'm gonna drop Romaisa home. I'm gonna go finish my work fatafat. Gonna go to the post office here in Bandra only and figure out why there's a customs calculation issue on this. Pay whatever I need to pay correctly. And Omar is coming along with me for that because he lives really close to that and his Marathi is a lot more fluent than mine. And they tend to speak mostly in Marathi over there. So he's coming along with me to help me. And then on the way back, I'll pick up Romaisa again with her fresh pairs of clothes. Baby, your nose is still fully blocked. Huh?
Yes.
We need to put more wigs on you once you're back home. But that's the current agenda. I'm quite annoyed that they got the customs calculation wrong. I'm not even sure why and how they arrived at that calculation of, I think he said 3,600 or something he asked me to pay. Not even sure how he came to that number. So I need to go there to fix it. Nahi beta, hai isme. Look up. Good job. I know. But your nose is blocked. What can we do?
Still blocked.
We'll put Vicks. Once you're back at Popo's, we'll put Vicks. Right now, I will drop you home.
Oh,
Haan, beta.
God, Senorita.
Can I on Senorita? Yes.
Hello, Mrs. Senorita. Stuck in this ridiculous lane jam. I've dropped Romaisa. Rayan came and took her up. Now I'm headed to the post office. Omar should be getting down. I'm going to pick him up from his building and then head to the post office from there. I am just hoping that this customs issue is okay and figures itself out, because I've heard people having some really bad experiences, and I've never had a personal like bad experience, but I just want to get my beauty products out of there because I've been waiting for them for so long at this point. Keeping my fingers crossed.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, here's the update. I am in my mom's building. I got my REM Beauty package. I did have to pay around 500-600 rupees extra. Not as bad as what I thought it would be. I have taken the number of the customs person so that in case there's any problems with future orders, I kind of know who to get in touch with. I will just kind of store that for now and see if I want to get in touch with them and when I want to get in touch with them. But at least my REM Beauty package is here with me, and this issue is sorted out to whatever extent it could have been. I do think that our system needs a little bit of clarity on what we're paying for what, because the value of the entire package they had written down was 8,000 something, whereas it was actually 6,000 something. Wow, itna andhera kyun hai? We have opened. कहाँ है सामान? Oh my god, मैं डर गई. पूरा डब्बा निकाल दिए. सामान कहाँ गया? My stuff is here. I'm not gonna try this stuff right now. I'm gonna try this stuff later. Romaisa is crying. That's why Jerry is on video call with her. She's upset that I left her at home.
Yes, I did.
And now she wants to come back, so she's upset and crying.
Alrighty. I have my driver here. Oh no. Who's driving me around? And this driver is very pricey. So Anam, where are we going?
We're going to Mummy's house. We're gonna go have dinner at my mom's and bring in the new year there.
So 2022 will be at Mama's house.
You mean like brought in at Mama's house? Not like we're spending the whole year in Mama's house.
Okay. But why did you make me pack for the whole year?
What did you pack?
Oh, I forgot to take a book.
World's worst blogger ka award milega. You go silent like this randomly.
You tell me, am I the world's worst blogger? I mean, yeah, she could be right actually. But I do my best.
I see what you did there.
Maybe you should learn.
I try and learn. But I genuinely do try and learn from you.
You'll try and learn from me.
I try and learn everything from you. You're so good at so many things.
Like what?
Like a lot of things in
Like
life. By the
what?
way, there's also Paro Khala at the back. Paro Khala, hi bolo. हाँ, सब मम्मी के घर पे जा रहे हैं.
So how was 2021 for you, Anna?
It was quite a ride, don't you think? Especially with the launch of Verified and everything.
Verified launched?
This is so stupid now, your humor is sometimes. I'm very hungry.
I thought you were Anam. Hi, hungry. I'm Gerard. She's hungry, which basically means she's gonna get angry. If I don't shut up, I'll be walking home.
What rubbish.
Hi, damn hungry. I'm Gerard.
जरी ये जो बहुत पुराना हो रहा है, ओके?
कितना? अभी 2 मिनट पहले तो मारा था मैंने.
नहीं, 7 साल से सुनते आ रही हूँ मैं ये वाला जोक. बस अब चेंज कर दो.
7 साल से तुम I'm hungry बोलोगे तो फिर मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस ना करूँ.
They can't see your other hand going like this.
My name is Anam.
My name is Anam. My niece is अपना है. My niece's name is Romaisa. My Abbu's name is Rafiq. My mama's name is Shabana. My nephew's name is Rayyan, and the phone is died. Missy?
Any more words?
Words. My husband's name is Jerry. My cat's name is Nibbles. Paro Khala. My help's name is Paro Khala.
And that's it?
Yes.
Say your name.
My name's Anam.
First time. Do you have anything to say, Daddy? Do you have anything to say?
I love you.
Dadu, do you have anything to say?
Love you, darling.
Same. Post.
Where are you posting this?
To poop.
You're posting this to Popo. Popo is a social network. I know that sometimes it can be a social
I'm working
network.
to send Popo all of the videos.
Ordered for some soft shell crabs from Cafe Tuco that you guys know I absolutely love. Just the dip that comes with it. Yeah, and one more portion for Papa.
Two words, huh? I spy
With my little
with
eye.
my little eye.
With your little screwy eyes.
I spy with my little eyes.
I
spy with my little eye something that starts from C.
Yeah, I spy with my little eye something that starts with F.
I spy with my little candylicious.
Oh,
My God, my candy list.
It starts with B.
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 What is this? What are we having?
Pan.
Tell them now what it is properly.
What pan? Ferrero pan.
So there's this new place called The Beetle Diaries, and Bhai is a huge fan
Not
of like
sponsored.
not sponsored. Thank you for saying that.
Brownie.
It should be considering how many we have over here
How much
tonight.
come here?
Lots of
Chocolate
like
pan.
really nice
You
chocolate
want Ferrero? You
pans.
want brownie?
Ferrero Rocher pan.
Ferrero?
I read a brownie pan. Whatever, like
Come here.
different types of pan over here. Hi, how's it?
Great.
Great? Like really great or just great? Great. Okay, that looks like an ice cream.
Take lipstick.
Miss my shoe?
Looks like everyone's like
Look here.
done so much there's nothing left.
Look here.
There.
Okay, so I'm going to show you my lovebirds. They are Lily Star in. He flew on me off the back. Look at this. 1 second, let me just lock the door so they don't. So if anyone opens, they don't fly out. They're good boys and girls. Let's just make sure he doesn't come on the camera real quick. Okay, so this is just about 5 minutes later. I'm going back in to check on him. I'm not into the room yet after that part. One's there
Let me vlog.
and one
Can I vlog?
is over there. Not our end. Comment if any of you have watched the new Spider-Man. If you haven't, no spoilers, don't worry.
Not sponsored. Yeah, because it's so easy for people to assume everything's sponsored otherwise.
One minute to New Year.
It's got cake inside. No, but cake
How much time?
hard. ना?
1
थोड़ा
minute.
frozen है ना?
1 minute to New Year.
हाँ ये लिखेगा, ये लिखेगा.
Okay, guys.
1 second.
We're counting down. We're counting down.
12, it's New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
बड़ी रात सारी रातें बड़ी है.
2020.
Happy New Year, Papa!
Yeah, it's so hard.
Happy New Year!
Finally, that's too much.
Happy New Year! She literally went all hard on Happy New Year. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Cheers! Paru's doing cheers with ice cream. We are back in the building lift and it is sleepover time again. Rumaisa,
This time with me.
that's 2 nights in a row, doll. And this time it's with this hero. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Okay, we are back home. I'm gonna go and take care of the kids and put them to bed rather soon because I'm really tired, especially from last night. This is our second sleepover in a row. Happy New Year, everyone. I really hope that all of us have a much happier, healthier 2022 and that everyone's more kind to each other, that the internet becomes a safer place and that all of us just, you know, have a much more peaceful year ahead of us and that hopefully the entire pandemic situation gets a lot better. The YFAM comment shout out for this video goes to Marine Verghese. Thank you so much for always talking to me in the comments. You know, I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of your comments, so keep those conversations going down below. I am always making it a point to acknowledge all of you. You know, I love you. You make my day better. Your love and your comments and your thoughts are the magic of my life. And I love you and I will see you again very soon. Bye.